afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 728th presentation of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Yeah. 728 videos that are geared to teach you the art of technical analysis. When you get the art of analysis down, it will make your trading much better. We all know that futures trading is extremely risky, can cause substantial financial loss, and is certainly not suitable for everybody. You need risk capital. You need to know that a stop is your best friend and you never trade without one. And you need to have strict rules and discipline if you are to be a trader. Now, this video is being filmed on Thursday night for Trading Friday. That's May 6, 2011. And we have a topic on the board. You are pointing to something.
I need a marker, please.
Oh, you need a marker. I thought maybe my tie was crooked.
Thank you.
No need to interrupt. He needs a marker. Let me just stop the video for a marker. All good. Ready? So, this video is being filmed on Thursday for Trading Friday. That's May 6, 2011. Traders, what is on this board? One thing I do not want to clap for is the red OMNI. So, red OMNI, boo. All right, we got a red OMNI on the board, which means we're looking for the S&P, NASDAQ, tranny, the indice package to come off again tomorrow. But there's a bigger message on my board, and I want you to read it and hear it now. Traders, do not fall in love with the downside of this S&P pullback. We are in a booming bull market, traders. We have a deflated U.S. dollar. It makes our U.S. stocks look attractive. It makes U.S. assets look attractive. What you are seeing in the last couple of days is just a small pullback. And I am here to tell you that we are bullish, that we are on target for the 1650 call this year that Omni made. And I do not want you to fall in love with the downside. Traders, I'm going to show you some charts in just a moment. I think you will like these charts very much. When I put these charts before you, I want you to see exactly what's happening. Now, traders, a good point that I usually fail to make to you in these videos is this. If I put a video out tonight, like I'm doing Thursday night for Trading Friday, if that video is still valid come Sunday night for Monday's trading, I will not put out another, because too much information sometimes is no good as well. So I want you to understand this. Every video that I put out is for the next day's trading. So if I put it out on Thursday, it's certainly for Friday. If you do not see a video Friday, or Sunday in this case, that means the Friday video is still valid for Monday's trading. So if during the week I put out a video on a Tuesday night and then you don't see me again until Thursday night, the Tuesday night video is good for Tuesday and Wednesday. Please make sure you recognize that, because these videos I put them out because I want them to help you and keep you guided through these markets. I'm sure you've seen that via the art of technical analysis, we have been able to prove to you countless times in our 728 videos that technical analysis is the roadmap to future price movement in markets, and that fundamentals always come out in the charts first. That we know that is a proven fact. We've shown that in many of these videos. So please use these videos to educate yourselves with, okay? Just to make that clear, if a video comes out Monday, it is good till the next video. It will remain valid. All right, so I do not want you to fall in love with the upside, the downside, because we are going to be looking for some upside coming soon, traders. Why would I say that? First of all, we are in a bull market, that we know. Second of all, I like to use these things that are called channels, because parallel channels seem to work well. Those parallel channels show support and resistance as the market moves around. Right now, you have almost all of our indices right about kissing support, which means they have a little more room on the downside, and then they will find buyers. That is what I'm expecting, and I have a whole bunch of charts I'd like to show you right now that would illustrate that to you. Traders, if you like what you see in the chart segment coming up and you'd like to learn more about these graphs and how to analyze them, simply come on down to my site, livewithoscar.com. Grab yourselves a free membership. Jump into my trading rooms where I am there typing at all times and on camera as often as I can be. and live microphone to help teach you OMNI how to get better at this. I've been doing this 29 years. You ask the tens of thousands that follow me. I have a little bit of a gift for calling these markets the next day. So follow the videos, follow the analysis I teach you, and see if that helps. Come meet me at my site. Oh, one last thing, interesting thing. A dear friend of mine that I've known for 25 years, I assumed she was coming to Omni Camp. Turns out she cannot make it, and a seat opened up. Traders, there's only about 2.5 weeks left, so if any of you out there would like to come to Omni Camp, 4-day training session here held live in Vegas with me. Fill out an Omni Camp application at the site. Do it quickly because you're going to have to book a trip if you're going to come out here. All right, traders, so with no further ado, I want to slap some charts on the board and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Take a look at the support on this chart right here. You're going to love this. As you can see right there, support comes in. This is the leader, the Dow Jones Transportation Average, and it's the daily bar. Traders, if the Dow Jones Transportation Average went down just a little more, it would tag the support line. Interesting thing that happened on Thursday. It rallied all the way back up here, our leader, and settled towards the upper end of its range. It's not a swing day. It's not an outside reversal, but it is a big bar that rallied up and showed that there is support. And there's interest now that the transportation average has dropped back a little. But let's keep looking. So you see the support right there. Now we're looking at Nikkei. Found the channel, found support. So Nikkei, another world market, finding support. DAX, look at this major drop in DAX. Now traders, this is a very interesting DAX chart. When I first put this before your eyes about 10 days ago, we gave the inverted head and shoulders and we gave a projection and said the DAX should get up there. Look at how close we came to that exact projection. Then it put in a swing day and started to break down, but now we're about to kiss the support again. So another world leader, the DAX in Europe, showing that we are very close to support, just like the transportation average. Dow Jones Industrial daily bar chart. Again, the inverted head and shoulders gave us the exact projection. It hit that projection, it started to drop. We are 1 day away from support right now. Do not fall in love with the downside, traders. We should get one more down day. I don't know if Friday will remain a down day. It may very well turn around Friday, late afternoon, and rally, because if we hit these support marks, buyers are going to come in. Let's look at more. The Russell 2000 has come down, has hit its support, and is beginning to show respect for this bullish channel. Now, the Russell is known for overshooting its mark sometimes, so you could get a nice down day on Friday, being this what this video is being filmed for. Friday, tomorrow, you could get a down day, but I would not fall in love with the Russell because you have the Omni average sitting right beneath that parallel channel. Traders, these charts are looking very strong. Now we have the NASDAQ. This whole mess that we've seen this week, look at that NASDAQ. It's barely even dropped much, and in fact, it looks to me like it's developing into a bull flag. So NASDAQ has almost felt no pain on this down move and is starting to find support. So if NASDAQ comes down tomorrow to about here, it's likely going to end up becoming bullish. First, we start off with the downside, and we start off short for Friday, but I would not fall in love with the downside by any means. And then we have the E-mini S&P. Once again, right below today's bar, Thursday's bar, we should create one more bar pulling us right into the support and right into the Omni average all at the same time, and that's when the turnaround will likely begin. Traders, we're looking for more downside Friday, but I would not fall in love with that downside. In fact, I would be short and out and possibly looking for some upside movement by the afternoon, but we will start on the downside and see what happens from there. So with that in mind, traders, you've just seen a few charts that show you that absolutely we are going to find some support either Friday or Monday. It could come late Friday, being tomorrow. So once again, we are expecting the downside here. We have our red Omni arrow, and we are expecting downside to begin this trading session on Friday. But once we get short and we get out, I think we stay out of its way because bottom feeders or bottom fishers, I think, are going to begin to show up. So traders, be ready, be prepared. You can be short at the onset of trading tonight through Friday morning, Friday early afternoon, but you may find a turnaround. Now, I don't know that that's guaranteed. For now, I'm staying short. We'll see what the markets bring. We'll watch the rotations on Friday and see where they go. All right, traders, we're this close to getting our TV show on the air here live in Vegas. It'll be on Channel 12. I cannot wait for it to show up. I know that's Channel 12 on cable, right? We've gone through this before. And the other channel, if you're watching satellite or regular television, was?
I believe Dish Network, it's channel 13 for MyLVTV is the channel.
Very nice. MyLVTV, Dish Network, channel 13, cable, channel 12. We will be presenting in Vegas, and I can't wait to start those videos. All right, I think I'm basically done, traders. I have a feeling we got a long webinar coming up this weekend because I've seen a lot of action this week, and I think a lot of it needs to be explained to you. Neil Cavuto, thank you so much for the interview again today. I had a good time on your show. Hey, I'm serious. If they try to give us a tax on every mile that we drive our cars, I will be the first one at the gates in Washington with my pitchfork. Because are you kidding me? Why don't you just tax the oxygen that we breathe? Maybe you can cut us and tax the blood that's in us. There are a few pints, you know. I mean, come on, guys. You're going to tax our mileage? I don't think so. Imagine one politician who gets reelected after signing yes off on that bill, right? It's the end of his career. All right, traders, enough of this. I will see you at my site. Remember, it's livewithoscar.com. Come into my free chat room. Hang out with me during the day. I will see you on Friday, and I will try to hold a live class, so make sure that you are there. The technology allows for it. We'll have a class on Friday. Traders, remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Yeah, baby, 728. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.